Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and this little post is going to be about the region command in PMI, Product Manufacturing Information. So PMI is part of model-based definition. It's fantastic. And in the end analysis, what it really means is that instead of having these 2D drawings, we just annotate the solid. So there is a situation that you may have where you want to define a region on a solid and you want to see the cross-hatching and a little note and all of that. So in order to get started, there's a little point right here that shows you where I'm going to put the region. I'm going to go to the datum plane function and select the little point. And NX is smart enough to know if you select the little point on a surface, it's going to give you a datum plane that is tangent to that surface at that point location. So that's cool. Then I'm going to create a datum axis that is at the intersection of that datum plane and that bottom face. It's pointing over to the right, which is the way I like it, because that enables me to sketch on that plane and reference that axis as a horizontal reference. And I like the ability to do that. There's other software decks that I use that don't make that kind of thing very easy, and I think that's really important. So they did a really good job on that. Now I'm just going to make a random profile so that you can see that I'm defining, let's say, a place on the surface that I want to apply a coating to, or a glue, or maybe it's like a keep out region or something of this nature. So there, I've defined a profile. It's good. I could mess around with the profile. I could put actual dimensions on here, but that's not the point of the video. So there is a region. And now, without further ado, I can go to PMI. I could go to the region command. I can select from rectangular, circular, annular, cylindrical, or arbitrary. I want an arbitrary region. It's going to be on this face, and it's going to be created from these curves. So I'm going to select all the curves like that. I'm going to specify the point like that. And as you can see, it does the whole region. Next, I'm going to Control W, and I'm going to hide the datum plane, the axis, hide the points, hide the curves that were made, the sketches, all of that. And there is the region prominently displayed. Oh, I think I'll hide the datum planes as well, the coordinate system. There we go. You can see that there's a coordinate system still, and that is what you get rid of by hitting W. That's the WCS. And now I have a region. But I want to see the cross-hatching, so I'm going to go to Settings, like so, and I'm going to say Display the cross-hatching. And close. And say OK. So, where is it? There it is. There's the cross-hatching. And I think I'll edit it. Edit the cross-hatching. I'm going to go to, let's make it thicker. Let's make it, let's change the angle ever so slightly. I'm going to go to 60. And the distance in between them, I'm going to go to 0.125 and close. And say OK. So the cross-hatching updates when I am patient. And then finally, I will go to the Notes Creation tool, and I will hover on that surface and pull it away. And I'll select a plane on which the note will fall. And there's the note. Close. Isn't that nice? I would like a dimension from the bottom face to the apex of the shape. So I'm going to show the sketch again, and I'm going to go to the rapid dimension. I'm going to select the bottom face, which is a flat face, and that little point. I'm going to select a datum plane for the dimension to go. As you can see, my dimensions already have a plus-minus tolerance. And there you have it. The region is done. It's prominently displayed with a note. And that's how you use PMI to avoid, to the degree possible, creating 2D drawings. Model-based definition is an incredibly powerful tool that a lot of people are embracing. I'd love to share more techniques with you, or contact me. you can contact info@designviz.com. And I hope you've enjoyed this little video. There'll be many more. Please tune in. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. It's a total privilege to share these things with you. Thanks for the opportunity.